Well, IFA programs are 3 programs this year. One is going to be shown today, one was yesterday, and one is about to be tomorrow also at 4:30. IFA stands for European Film Academy, which gives out an award for the best film of the best festivals of Europe. For example, today you are also about to see the winner film of last year's IFA award. It's called Years, from Sara Gair. She's an Italian author. She also has her own production house. It's called Aventuroso. And the film you are about to see won the competition for the Venice Film Festival in short films, of course. And the film we are all going to see, it is actually made in Cagliari, was made in Cagliari, while the author was on residency. She was there on residency at the Cagliari Cinemateca in Sardinia, in the capital city, where she found a whole bunch of these different videos. Then she narrowed down the decision about which she's going to show to number 30, and the voice you are about to hear is actually the voice she added later. Everything else is from the archives, but some recordings which are made with Super 8 are made by herself as sort of an imaginary archive, just so the narrative can stand together. So I hope you all enjoyed the screening. Upam, da boste uživali v projekciji, tudi v zmagovalnem filmu, ki je lani zmagal na EFI. Ta film bo predvajan drugi, gre za film leta. Vsekakor uživajte, in če vam bo všeč, upam, da se vidimo še kasneje ali pa morda jutri.
Mais le premier, j'en ai déjà fait assez. Le deuxième, je ne sais pas.